Now I got a feeling that's not supposed to be like that. What do you think? Let's put it back. No one will notice. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Not on anything in the workshop today. Oh, ignore them. You didn't see them, okay? Oh yeah, couldn't help myself. Right, so you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the intro. We're working on Vinny. Backstory is that I was on my way home from mountain biking yesterday afternoon, and it started making some funny noises, and it was worse on overrun. Basically, when you're in gear, slowing down, using the engine to slow you down, and it sounded like something was rubbing or vibrating, and basically we got it apart. Well, I didn't get it apart. All we've done is taken the tray off the bottom and found that bolt was loose. I'll go and show you in a minute, but we are working outside, so I do apologise. There'll be road noise, and the lighting's going to be funny because the sun's only just come up, so it's quite low in the sky. But at least it's not raining like it was last night. Sorry, I waffle on. Let's go and I'll show you what's happened. Like I say, sorry, the lighting will be horrible. But here we go. So I don't know if you can see it from this angle. The engine is sort of bit of a jaunty angle, and you can see that engine mount has been pulled over, and there is our problem. So that snapped off, and you can see it looks like it's been half gone for a while. So yeah, so we've got to change that. But obviously that's sheared off in this mount, which is aluminium, I think. So I don't know what it actually holds on. So I was hoping I could just unbolt them using these bolts, and then that's obviously to the other engine study back there. And I'll have to jack the engine up and we'll try and get this off. I've sprayed them last night with some easing oil, these bolts, because they looked a bit rusty. Let's see what we can do, and while we're off we might have to give this a bit of an inspection. Doesn't look like it's held in by much. So ultimately all I'm going to do, because we're outside, is I'll set you up as best I can on a tripod, and we'll try and get that engine mount off and see what happens. Wish me luck. Oh, that wasn't too bad, was it? No, it's all out. The rubber's on there, look pretty good. So next thing really, where have I put it? Down there. Ooh, I'll try and get that out. That'd be interesting. We're on the bench. There's the old bolt, and you can see it's it's not twisted off. That's, I believe, anyway. It looks like it's been there or thereabouts for a while, don't you? And it's I don't know if you can see it. Might not focus on that. Oh, hang on, bear with. See, it's a 10.9, which is sort of high tensile bolt, automotive one. So don't know, we'll see. We've got to get it out first, don't we? And here it is. Here's the offending article. It's stuck in there, and can you see it's quite deep in there? It does look like there's a little crosshead in the back, or a flathead slot, but I can't get a screwdriver on it, so I'm going to clean this area up. Sorry, shaking around. Clean this area up, and I think what I'm going to do is put a blobber weld on that, and then see if I can get a nut on it. It's because it's dipped in there, so it's a bit of a funny position to get to. Anyway, let's clean this up. I've waffled. Let's clean this up, see if we can get some weld on it. We've got it out! Yes! It took a couple of times. Obviously, I didn't get the weld right the first time. It just must have puddled on top, but yeah, we got it there. It's oh, it's still pretty hot. I don't want to touch it. Anyway, there's the thread. It looks like a standard metric thread. Let's pick up that. And you can see, can you see? Let's move into the light a bit better. See that you can see the blobber weld that went on top of it. There it is. And then just welded through. The heat helped. The spray helped. Excellent. Let's find a replacement bolt. We're back from town, and unfortunately the bolt shop, our local bolt shop, was closed, so I haven't been able to get any 10.9 bolts. I have got one of these, which is an 8.8, which is just what I had. Give me a box of bolts, and I'm going to use that and order one of these, or try and get one on Monday because it's the weekend now. So this will allow me at least to move it around, and I can replace it when I get a new bolt. What else have I done? Oh, I tapped out the threads on that because they were a bit mucky, and now it runs in lovely. So all we've got to do is go out there, put it back on. Right, let's try and put this thing back together. all back together. There we go, nice and easy. Also gonna have to change that bolt out when I get a new one, but yeah, I think need to take it on a little test drive, make sure that was the right issue. Seems to be, definitely seems to be sitting a lot better now. Well, it's not bouncing around like it was before, it's not making any noises that it doesn't normally make. We're on our test drive and we're going down a little hill. If I change down, yeah, when I was on overrun, it whoa, making a right racket. I think it may have even been the exhaust or bottom part of the downpipe touching the subframe. So yeah, sorry I'm not looking at you. Gotta look where I'm going. Sounds as noisy as ever, even though it's quieter than it used to be when we first got it. Yeah, I think we've done it. That bolt, obviously I don't want to drive it much because we haven't got that 10.9 bolt in it. We're only an 8.8 strength, so I'll order one of them and then I'll swap that out. Whether I record that or not, I don't know. It's exactly the same as what I've done, but yes, I'll get one of them bolts. Anyway, we can end it here in the van for a change. That's it, all done. Nice easy little job. Hardest bit was getting the old stud out, the broken threaded part of the bolts. We got there, welded a blob on it, welded a nut on it, shocked it with some easing spray and sorted it basically. Worked well, and then tapped it out, and here we are. We are driving temporarily at the moment. Anyway, that's it. I waffled on far too much. Thank you very much for watching. Look us up on Instagram, Larcs_workshop, and I hope to see you next time on something hopefully planned maintenance, not breakdown. Anyway, thank you very much. See you soon. Cheers then. So here we have replacement 10.9 bolt, and we've got a nice chunky washer to go in behind there to replace that one. Lovely. I'd like to thank, wobble you around, sorry, I'd like to thank the guys at Electro Southwest in Bridgewater, and they sorted me out with it. Brilliant. If you've got any bolt needs, go and see them. Not sponsored or anything, but they really did help me out. And there it is, fitted. Lovely. But at least I'll be able to move it. So, move it. Well, my GoPro just shut itself down, so I hope we have the footage there. I just noticed a bit crack on the lens again. Wait that man! Power! Race it back, race it change. 50! Yay! Oh. Got some power.